three things that are crucial to make a good part by additive manufacturing. You need to use the right printing process and the right process parameters. You also need to have the right material with the right chemical composition, but you also need a powder of good quality. And what is good quality powder? The powder, of course, needs to have the right chemical composition to get the properties you need, such as corrosion resistance or high strength. But the chemical composition can also influence the result of the print if it contains elements that is reactive and that reacts during the printing to create impurities in your printed material. But also the shape and the size of the powder particles is important for your printing results. To get the best results, you should have the right distribution of the size of the powder particles and an optimized median size of the powder particles to get a well-packed and homogeneous powder bed after the spreading of the powder. But even more important is to have the right shape of the powder, so you want your powder to be as round as possible. If the powder is round, it will of course spread more easily in the printer, creating a well-packed powder bed. But if the powder is of irregular shape, it will contain more space for unwanted elements such as oxygen in the powder bed. To have a round and evenly sized powder will also influence how the laser interacts with the powder particles when it's trying to melt them, and make the melting of the powder more similar in the whole bed, while irregular powder particles will influence the reflection and the absorption of the laser energy, making the melting uneven in different areas of the bed. So to be able to produce high quality parts by metal additive manufacturing and use the full potential of the technology, you should make sure to use high quality powder, especially with regards to the shape and size of the powder particles. This will give you the best properties of the printed material when it comes to mechanical properties, but perhaps even more important properties such as fatigue or polishability.